What's up, y'all? Lexus GX470. I showed a platform yesterday, same platform, but today I added some things to it, so let's look at what that looks like. So basically I'll just run through how I built this real quick. Little platforms, there's 3 of them, 3 legs going, you know, a back wall and 2 sides. This is open for now. In the future I could build drawers here if I wanted to, but for now we're just going to do a plastic bin, and it's on carpet, so plastic bin should be nice and easy to slide. This is a platform that goes on top. I added this carpeting today. I bought this at Menards, but basically I just bought a staple gun. I stapled all the sides here, and here, this one I actually cut a little short, and as you can see here I put some sliders here as well, and the reason for these is just so that it'll kind of slide nicely back and forth when I set up the bed. There's handles as well that I added here. Real simple. I just drilled 2 holes here, and it's got ropes. On the back side I'll show you how I attached it. Real simple. I didn't go too complicated. All I did is I just basically snipped it off and drilled 2 screws that holds it. So hopefully it holds up. I'm sure I'll have to go and retorque it once in a while. But yeah, and then I also lacquered the wood just so that it's a little bit more sturdy, and actually the inside didn't get too many coats. It's more on the outside, but so let me just set it up real quick just so I can show you how fast it is. Literally you just got to pull your 2 front seats up all the way forward, then you just knock these ones down. So then once you come in here, John, I want to show you guys what I did here. So I actually punctured 2 holes on both sides here, and I put some I drilled 2 nuts on the far side here with an overhang, so that when I bring it here, now I actually have connecting points on both sides and there. So I think we'll maybe add legs on the front, but as you can see, it's pretty level, it's pretty flush. You got, you know, a decent amount of room. You can sit up, turn sideways. I could fit 2 people, you know, me and my wife, and it fits pretty snug. John, you want to just shut the door just so they can see that it fits nicely. And it doesn't hit the door, so it's not going to damage the plastic. And that's all. If you got any questions, let me know and I'll put all the instructions down.